Let me show how it works. Okay, first of all, before we run, we should set up the machine. Everything, set up the height of the roller, how much of the oil you want the roller to apply, stuff like that. So the most important part is to measure the thickness of the wood you're running and accordingly set up your machine. So I have this here. It shows 1906, so 19 millimeters, right? Okay, for 19 millimeters on the machine, I have to set up like 18.2 because 19 is not going to be enough. You need the roller to push, to press a little bit. So 17.7. For more precise, we use this manually. 18.16. I think it's good. And this is how we regulate the height. It goes down, and once it starts touching the wood, you gotta check like this. I think we're good. I gotta make sure the buffer touches it. Same with the second buffer. This is the buttons regulating up and down. We make sure everything is running. I have my oil and the height of the roller is set. I have my conveyors running. I have my brushes running, my brush, two buffers and another brush. And then at the end we have a light. We have a light, so everything is set now. I'm gonna just sand the board. Okay, it's dry and cured already.
Wow.
And it's kind of thirsty because we did it in purpose, like thirsty finish, because the second coat is going to be another color which goes into the grains. The roller now, it's pressing against the rubber roller. That's why there is no space there. That's why it doesn't leak. It's very little amount, and you don't need to put too much oil unless you have to. Okay, now we're ready to apply the second coat.